Please try to complete the both courses, okay? And let me know, guys. Please try to complete the NESCOM and IBM courses so we can proceed to the project. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay. So wait, I will show you how to register for that. Okay. I am not able to log in. Okay, can you someone send me the ID and password, your ID and password, email ID and password in a WhatsApp? Uh, you can message me personally. I am there in a group. Search for Ajay. Okay. So someone please send your email ID and password. Tummy type is not working. Someone please WhatsApp me your email ID and password of Nescom. Someone please WhatsApp me your ID and password on WhatsApp. You can find me in a group. Okay. The name is Ajay. Okay. Thank you, Mera. Uh, Humera, you sent me the password of Nescom. This is the password of Nescom. It's not working, I think. Email ID or password not matched. It's not working here. Nothing is working here. Why? I'm not able to log in here. I don't know why. Are you able to log in? Okay, so raise your hand. I will explain. Okay, raise your hand and present. You joined with the laptop, right? Mobile phone. Okay, let me check with my team. And not time. Okay, Krishna, raise your hand and okay. Are you able to share, Krishna? There is a share option. There is no share option. You can open your mic. You are not getting the share option. Okay. You join with your laptop or mobile phone. If it is a mobile phone, then I'm not able to allow you. Join with laptop. This is your laptop or a mobile phone. Didn't share screen for me. Bhargavi, send me the password. You send the password also. The first one is a password in a WhatsApp. Why not able to open anything? Someone joined with a laptop. Anyone who joined with the laptop and he having their ID and password. I'm not able to log in actually with any of your account. It might be IP address problem. Video is not visible. I didn't share anything. That's why I'm sharing right now here. Okay, let me know everyone install the MongoDB. Guys, and everyone please complete your course. But I will check once with my team also regarding this issue. I'm not able to log in actually. Oh, sorry. Yes, Manikanta. You joined with your laptop. Anyone who joined with your laptop? Guys, anyone who joined with laptop? Okay, I will say this. Okay, guys, I got one credential who is working. Let me show you the thing. Okay, so you're here and just click on internship, assess resources, courses, NESCOM, and this is important. Okay, so here you having a Java, full Python, view all. Okay, and see, you will see here the full stack mod development, right? You have to complete this one. Web, mobile, and marketing, whatever is there, you have to complete this, the full stack path. And here you having another certification program in a mern stack. You have to enroll for this one also. Okay. CNESCOM, SSC NEXCOM, courses 3. Okay, everyone able to register, guys, for this NESCOM? Everyone on this page? Let me know first. Everyone on the home page. Let me come back and just click on start working. Everyone is here. Everyone is here. After that, you have to click on a dashboard and my product, I think so. Skill, passport, transaction, account. You have to upgrade your profile. Okay, here. So first upgrade your profile, then come in a certification, NESCOM certification. Okay, and come back here in a learning section, I think so, and just search for the free. Okay, so there is a many courses is free, but we have to complete only the one stack path. Okay, so come back and just click on view all. It's a lot of courses, and just search for the one. Yes, just search for the one. Right? So you will having a two certification, I think. You have to complete just the free ones, okay? Uh, this one certification program in a one stack, and this one also the Excel first SSC NESCOM, then XLR, okay, and then uh, again SSC NESCOM, okay. So this thing you have to complete only that is the free, okay, only that is the free. Here you can search three courses, here you can see three courses, and that is a free, and XLR you can complete, and in the back you have to complete this XLR, showing in only three now. It's working very differently before that. Do you have any doubt in registration? Here you don't have to complete for the Python or any of this, okay? Just click on a view all and search for the mern only, okay? First search for the mern here, okay? And inside one there is a SSC NESCOM. You, this is a assessment, okay, so you have to complete this assessment, and this one is a course, okay, this is a course, one assessment again. You have to complete this one, and XLR you have to complete this course. Just that's it, the three things you have to complete: this assessment and this one, the three thing, okay. uh, Come on, my groups is there? No. Skill passport is there? No. Resources group certification. And if you want, you can achieve many certification, but that depend on you. Just complete the one here, our from our perspective, rather than if you want, you can explore all the free courses. Okay, that depend on you. So first complete our courses, that is the one. Okay, everyone, got it? We have to complete the one first. Where we are, got it? You have to complete the one courses in NESCOM. Guys, and after completion you have you will see this the project like this, okay, and you will get a project after the completion of these two. So with this id we already have completed the board courses, and then we provided the this project, okay. So after completion of these both courses you will get this project, okay. Okay, so I will give you a time to register for the mon everyone, and I will give you the 10 minute, After that we will start the MongoDB. Okay, we will talk about the more about the MongoDB. Haven't talked that much about the MongoDB. Okay, so please try to complete this thing. Guys, everyone try to register that enroll for that thing. Okay, and after that I will start the MongoDB. Try to enroll for NESCOM course, everyone. Done everyone? Everyone able to register there? Please try to enroll everyone as soon as possible. Okay, done everyone. Can we start? Can we start the MongoDB? So everyone having SSL MongoDB community. Everyone install the MongoDB community. Guys, everyone having MongoDB community. Say yes or no. Everyone install this server. Guys, everyone having this. Please try to complete the both courses and try to install this one also, the MongoDB community server. Guys, you having this? You having this server? Say yes or no. Okay, great. Okay, so actually, we saw the Atlas, right? Atlas is nothing. It is a product of the. It is a platform. Inside a product, we having platform. So it is a MongoDB platform. It is a built scale with the AI also right now. So what is Atlas? Basically, to run a MongoDB, we required the MongoDB community that I saw earlier. Okay, and to log in here, okay, I will log in here actually. MongoDB Atlas. I already having. I will sign in here. I will sign up with a Google actually. Okay, so this is a Atlas. So it is a platform that give us the ability to manage our database, right? We having cluster. Okay, so how can we see here? Like there is a FTP, okay, and FTP cluster, and how can we see this thing? So I can just click a browse collection, right? And I can see this sample of this collection. Okay, sample data you can see here, right? Okay, same thing we can do in MongoDB localhost. So everyone having, I think, MongoDB Compass, search for it. Okay, and just open it. Okay, and just click on a connect. Okay, and you will able to connect it with your local host, so you don't having that much a database. You will having only the admin, okay, and something, not the data admin config and some more like a local, only this will be there. Okay, rather than I created a mini database here, so that's why you can see here, right? So how many of you having SSL? Let me know, everyone. Guys, please let me know. If you don't having, I having secondary solution. How many install that SSL. How many install having this MongoDB community? This one. You don't having. Oh, here you can say how can you search? Here you can search for the control panel. Okay, and then search for the programs. Okay, then go for the program and feature. Okay, and then search for the Mongo. Then you will see here the SSL. Guys, are you able to see here? See, I will repeat once again how to check. Just come here in your search bar, search for control panel, this one. Okay, open this one here inside of programs. Okay, then here program and features. Okay, and then you will having search for the MongoDB Mongo. Just search for MONGO and you will able to see this. Please check this one. Please try to check. Follow this step again. So I will repeat. Search for control panel. Open this. Search for the program. Search for program and features. Then search for the Mongo MONGO. Okay. Then it will be here. This one. This one is important SSL. This will be also there. This one is a very important thing. This is there, guys. This is available. Everyone. Okay, great. Anyone is here. I am getting reply from just one person. Then after that, where I search for the MongoDB compass, just search here. Okay, and you will open that thing, and in a starting you will see only this. Okay, if I delete this connection, so I will remove connection and I will remove this also. Okay, so you will see here the add connection or just click here on a plus sign. Here it should be same, remain the same, and just click on save and connect. Let me know it is working or not in your system. Let me know it is working or not in your system, guys. Let me know, everyone. Is it working or not? Everyone check this thing, please. I give you the 2 minutes for this thing. Checked everyone, checked or not? Everyone checked or not? Let me know. Everyone check that thing. Guys, please walk with me here inside that. This is not related to the language, okay? This is a different thing, okay? I'm saying right now. My voice is audible, Manikanta now. Guys, you have to practice with me rather than you will say, sir, I'm not able to write any query in a MongoDB. At least I want to teach you the basic query. This is not related to the any language. Okay. Okay, okay. No worry. Download it. Just 4 minute more. You have it. To connect with that also and let me know it's working or not. Able to connect or not. Okay. Okay, great. So same thing we can do here. Many one of you, I hope everyone able to install. Okay. Are you able to make a connection like this, Mara? Are you able to see this connection? And those who don't having, okay, those who don't having, you can just install this thing, that MongoDB, MongoDB Compass, okay, Compass, okay, and just search for it, and you can install this. Okay, just download now and download the GUI exe version. Download it. Okay, you can check your Windows here. If it is a 60-bit or a 32-bit, just download it for that. Okay, so this is a MongoDB download GUI, and okay, now okay, so let me cut this thing, and now you will connect here like this. So we are here. Okay, so open any database here, whatever you having, like you having admin, so just open admin and there might be user. Okay, like this. Okay, if you're having admin or anything, you will having this. Okay, and here you can see the option open MongoDB cell. Just you can open this cell. Okay, and on the click of anything you will able to find the data. Okay, db dot context, right? Contacts dot. Okay, I will explain the find and all. Dot find. So there is a nothing, that's why I will see there is something contacts. Okay, what I am written CONTACTS dot find, and I'm not getting any responses. Why I'm not getting any responses? Because it is restricted. Okay, like if I open this for the this user, so I will able to find. Okay, so just for CLS to clear the thing. Okay, so this is a CLI where you can practice on a MongoDB query. Like if you read the SQL, so inside a SQL we having a workbench. So similarly we having Compass here. Okay, okay everyone. Oh shit, sorry. You can see here. See this. I will come back again, and you will see the connection like this. So I will delete this thing first. Okay, remove connection. Okay, I will remove this one also. Screen is visible. Now screen is visible, guys. Okay, so see this. You are here. Just click on a add. Okay, new connection, and just click on save and connect. You will be here. Okay, so here we having Apache we created, but you can directly click here to open a cell. Okay, and it is here like Apache, but I want to use something that I didn't I created. Okay, so something that database like you having a DB in initial, I think DB is there. You having admin first. Okay, you can use this thing also. You can use admin or local is also will be there. And inside a local, you will having some data about your PC. Okay, so you can open this thing also and simply click enter on a local. You will get this data. Okay, so you can create a data also here, or like I want to create another database. Okay, so I will write db dot and users here and dot. Okay, and insert one. Okay, and schema whatever you want to give, like just you have to written here the JSON format. So here you can write object like object name and object of the name. Okay, and then here you can uh, write like anything, roll number. Okay, so roll number one. Okay, and similarly here you can write address. Okay, so you can write address Hyderabad. Okay, so see here you don't have to, similarly don't have to mention any data type, right? There is a no data type in a MongoDB also. So if I enter, just enter, so we got a metadata about the acknowledgement true and data is created. Okay, so if I refresh this, oh sorry, not from here, I think from here I can refresh. If you see, if I refresh this thing and okay, so you can see here I able to created the users where we having object ID of it, name, roll number, Hyderabad. Okay, address. So copy this thing. Where is the query? Control. Just copy this thing. Try this thing in your system and let me know it is working or not. I will just copy and paste it for you. Let me, where we are here. What the? What is this, yaar? Anywhere you can create anywhere, Mera. Okay. Control J. I'm not able to copy. Okay, we cannot copy from here. We can drag it. We can drag it here. So it's not working. We can copy like this. It's not working. In CLI, it's not working, guys. So that's the problem. What if I try to drag it? Okay, okay. Copy this and try to run. Open the CLI. This any you can open the local like I created in the local you having. Just here click on a CLI and try to run this and let me know it's working or not in your system. Type error. tb.user.insert. What do you copied? You copied this now? Send me the screenshot picture on WhatsApp. Humera, one should be capital. During the copy of this thing, this one O is become small. That's why you are getting the error, right? This should be in a camel case. This O should be in a capital. Actually, when you copy from here, it will become small everything, right? So make that one O is capital, okay, in a camel case. It's working. Okay, so this is the functionality. How can you use? And let's talk about properly with the documentation of MongoDB. So MongoDB, I can search for MongoDB docs JSON. Sorry, Bison. So I will explain what is the meaning of this thing. Okay, what is a Bison type? Actually, if I open XLD raw, working Mara, now it's working. Don't refresh that CLS. Just you can type CLS to clear the that thing, and you can click the upper button of your scroller in your laptop. There is three like right, left, and upper. So you just click upper and make that O capital. Okay. Okay, it's working. Fine. So let's talk about this. Actually, we wrote the query in JSON, and whatever you are seeing here, or here in a database, if I represent this, this is also a JSON. It is not a BSON. Okay, but MongoDB store that data inside that as a bison. Okay, bison. What is bison? Bison is nothing but binary JSON. Okay, so so if I talk about this, what is bison is a bison is a binary serialization format used to store document and make a remote procedure call in a MongoDB. Okay, so you cannot see the bison time. Actually, it is inside the internal part of the MongoDB. Whatever you can see here, we can see it is a JSON, but we cannot see the JSON. Oh, sorry, bison. It is a JSON. It is a JSON. We are writing the query in the JSON format. This is also the JSON format. Okay, we are sending this data through the query. This is a JSON format, right? But you cannot see the bison. Okay, so actually, if I show you, wait, JSON to bison in MongoDB. So, yeah, here you go. See, when a client come and he want some SSM data in a web application, and web application data structure having something that we having JSON format. After that, when we storing in the MongoDB drivers, okay, we convert JSON data into the bison data, and then we store that data storage into the uh, database storage engine, right? So this is how the JSON will look like. We don't know how it look. It is the internal part of the MongoDB, but you have to remember one thing: we convert JSON into the bison to store the data type, and we store when question come, MongoDB store data in which format. So you have to write bison, not in a JSON. Okay, because it store a bison type. Why we store the data in a bison, not in a JSON? Because we having a many data type inside a bison, like a double, okay, string, object, array, binary data, undefined, object id, right, boolean, date, okay, null, regular expression, db pointer, javascript symbol, javascript is scope, 32-bit integer, timestamp, okay, and 64-bit integer, decimal 128, min key, max key, okay. So you can also see the binary data, okay, and here then you can see object id here, okay, and you can read about this thing. Okay, so what I can do, I will explain the important thing here, okay, and I will give this link to read this. Okay, everyone, this is very important chapter. So here you having a string. So bison string are a UTF-8. Okay, like a JSON having a UTF-8, same as a bison having a UTF-8. Okay, so it is a programming language convert from a language string format to UTF-8 when serialization and deserialization vision. This makes it possible to store more international character in a basic string with S. Okay, then you will having a timestamp timestamps. So Bison has a special timestamp type of internal MongoDB, and it is not associated with a regular date type. Okay, actually, when you want to store a timing, you will store this data in a date type. Okay, when you there is a question how you store a data, so you will say we store a data in a date type, not in a time stamp. Okay, time stamp is a different thing. Like when you want to calculate the difference between the two time, okay, like there is a time A and there is a time B, so you will use this. Okay, for this you will use a time stamp rather than for a normal time storage. You will use this date. Okay, this one. Okay, so Bison date is a 64-bit integer that represent the number of millisecond. Okay, and it is a unique epoch. It is converted in 1970, and this result represents the date range of about 290 million year into the past and future. See, okay. So how to define the date? So where my date equal to new date in a constructor. Okay, and in a JSON side, we will use ISO date. Okay, and like this. Okay, so we represent the date type like this. You can see the documentation. Then we having decimal 128. You can read about this. This is not that much important. Okay, you know, everyone know decimal and all. Before that, just only I have to discuss. Okay, what is the object ID? Okay, so object ID is a unique to generate an order. Object ID are 12 byte lengths consist of. Okay, see guys, here inside this data type, I didn't give a ID, right? But when I will use this data, okay, when I will sorry, I will delete this and I will find. Okay, find, and just find I will give. So I didn't provided this. Okay, but this is a generated by our, this is generated by our MongoDB, and it we called object ID. So it is a unique, small and fast to generate. It is automatically, you can given it also the value of ID underscore ID you can give it rather than you MongoDB will create for you. Okay, got it? You don't have to provide this thing. This is automatically created by the MongoDB, right? During the insertion of data. Got it? Got it or not? Yes. Okay. So you have to read this documentation first, okay, to understand about this. Okay. There is a many documentation. Let's open the CRUD. Okay, so CRUD, inside that first we having insertion. Okay, so before that I have to discuss more about the Atlas. So let's back to the Atlas. Okay, and those who don't having this the SSL, I can give you the shortcut. Okay, so you guys can do one thing. You can create one organization, like if it is already created, it's okay. Rather than you can create your own organization, like click on a view all organization. So I having a two organization. First is a my MongoDB and second is a AJR. Okay, click on that and you will create one more organization here. Okay, MongoDB Atlas, you have to select, and uh, here you have to provide the name of the organization and you will able to create that organization. Simple. After creation of the organization, you have to select one organization. So I will select this organization. Okay. Now I don't having any project. Okay. You will also not having any project. Okay. When you create that thing, so you can click on a new project and create one project. Okay, so like I will give a name, like name of the project, like I will give Archie. Okay, and this is optional. You can key the key and value. Select the key, enter your on and value, but I'm not gonna give it these things. I just click on a next. Okay, so here if you are a first time, you have to create a honor. Okay, so you can create one honor from here. Okay, and after the creation of honor, you have to click on a create project. Got it? Now we will be here after creation of project. Okay, and after creation of project, you have to create a cluster for that project. Okay, so just click on a create. Okay, now you will be here. So just select for the free and then you can give the name here. I will keep it default cluster 0 and AWS Apache. Okay, and I will keep it like this and just click on a create and deployment. Okay, so it's gonna take us some time. So you will created here the thing. Okay, after the creation, it's taking a lot of time. I don't know why it's taking. Okay, free automatic setup. Okay, and create and deployment. Okay, okay. So now you will be here. You can set your password, and during the setting of the password, okay, don't use at the rate or anything. Okay, don't use a special character. Okay, so you can do. Okay, you can copy also the both user and just click on a create a user. Okay, then you can also choose the collection. Before choosing the collection, we will see here. Okay, we will come here in a network access. You will see here, guys. It's given the IP address and many thing here, right? So you can simply delete here. Okay, and I will add the IP address. So there is a current IP address. Don't allow this because when you change the location, it will not work. So allow access from anywhere. So basically 0.0.0.0 and just click on a confirm. Okay, so it will create it. And if you forget that passwords, you can reset that password here. So I know that's password, so I will keep it like that. Okay, I will close it and let's back to the cluster. So now we will make a connection. Okay, it's creating, it's creating. Oh, now it's created. Just click here. Okay, and there you can see the campus, right? UI, and sail also is there. So you can use this thing, the sail and compass. Also you can use the driver. So I will use the sail. Okay, you can see here for a sail we having different. Okay, and let's try with the driver first. It is working there or not. It work everywhere. That's why I'm trying. So just copy this URL. Okay, and okay, and just make a new connection. Okay, and just paste that URL here. Okay, and you have to provide simply the password there. So I will provide my password. Okay, say I'll go to get it. Now I will click on a save and connect. Now it's working, right? You can see now it's working and we are able to connect it here. Great, great. So you can use this method also. Any of these you can use, any of these option you can use, but use first driver because it provide a many thing with that. Okay, so use first driver. Okay, everyone. So those who don't having, please watch this again. Okay, this tutorial and try to make a connection. Got it? Got it, guys? Guys, please be responsive here rather than you gonna not know about anything. And this is not related to any language. Okay, there is a no language. Like it is like a SQL query. It is simpler than the SQL query. It is simple than the SQL. Okay. So now, after completion of that, we will see the create there. Okay, we will see the create option there. Mhm. So I will send a data set there to create some data set. Okay, so mm, wait a minute. I am sending the data set in a WhatsApp group. Okay, everyone copy and try to run that thing with me. So we already seen the create one, right? Guys, everyone seen the create one. Let's see the create mini. Okay. So let's first create a database. Okay, and then I will share a sample. So we are here. Okay, everyone is like this. Everyone will be like this. So just open a cell and we will create a first database. Okay, so when you write use object, okay, actually, so you will create a object database or cluster here. Actually, object database. Okay, inside that will be create a many cluster. So use obj and just click enter. Okay, so switch to obj, so it will create a obj. Okay, and if I came back and why refresh is not working, I don't know. Okay, I will refresh this thing. I don't know why refresh is not working. Okay, we will refresh this. It's working or not. Let it go. Cut this. This one also. Close this one also. This one also. Okay, so we are created. Okay, now it is asking switch to TP object. So we created object and you can insert any data type whatever you want. So like I want to use the same query that I used earlier. Okay, and okay, so I will use this db.user.insert1 and I will insert this user. Okay, okay, inserted, and we created with the help of insert1. We didn't insert only the data, we created the user cluster also. Okay, we created the cluster also with the help of this thing. Okay, so you can say we created an object and we created the user also. Okay, user is not available and object is not available. So with the help of use you can create a database, and with the help of insert1 you created the user database. Okay, so see this is how MongoDB is flexible. It is a very flexible language. Okay, you don't have to predefine like a SQL. Okay, got it? Got it, everyone? Everyone here, please try this. First, use obj. Okay, first use obj, click enter, and then db.user.insert1. Try this. Try this, everyone. Use obj and db dot, like, if you having object it will switch to the object. If you don't having object it will create the object. Okay, got it. Everyone got it? Got the simple data set? Everyone got the simple data set? Guys, in the WhatsApp group it is available. Just open that. Okay, and copy like this. Close this thing, and you can open where it is. Open this. Okay, and just write tb dot, okay, users dot insert Okay, and just choose insert many. And in when we use insert many, we provide this. Okay, then array of object, we provide a array of object. Here we provide directly one object, but here we have to provide many objects, so we create a array of object and just create a array. Okay, inside that just paste that copy thing. Okay, control V, right, and just click enter. Now we are able to inserted the data. Okay, can we see here when I refresh this? Where is refresh, guys? So you can see the many data is available there. See, in the first, the roll number, email ID, is active role. These things are not available. But when we created this thing, okay, when we created the email and the age, the is active and role, it automatically created the new data type. Okay, the new value. But this is not available in SQL. Okay, that is a restricted thing. But here you can see how MongoDB is flexible. I said no. Yes. Yes, Pawni, you having any doubt? You having any doubt, Pawni? Able to insert this thing or got some error, guys? Are you guys able to insert this data? Insert, able to insert this data, guys? Guys, any issue, any error, any error there, guys? Any issue here? Let me know when you're done. Done. Bhargavi, Umaira, Krishna. Okay. Okay. So earlier we saw db dot find one. So let's see db dot users dot find, right? So we will use find first and then we will see. So this is our read method. Okay, first we saw the create method, how to create the thing. Second we will see the read method. So db.user.find. Okay, so you will able to see the every data here. Okay, so every data set you can now read. There is 11 data set. Okay, okay, try this query db dot user dot find. Try this one. Try this one. db.user.find. Guys, anyone having any like error, let me know here. I will here to resolve your errors. Okay. And please try to complete the both courses, the NESCOM and the courses from the IBM. Okay. Inside the NESCOM, you will see how to search the mern, right? And you have to complete the things, the mern there. Done. Done. Okay. Let's this is the last one. TV dot, okay, and users, the cluster name you have to give dot, then you write a dot, okay, and the query name find one. Okay. So when you allow write the find one and you're not writing anything, I use find, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So here you can see when you do db.user.find1, uh, I will clear once this, okay, and then I will let you know. Sorry, control Z. Okay, db.user.find1. So you will get the first data that is available in a database if there is a no condition. We didn't apply any condition inside that. Okay, so you will get a first data. Okay, this is also a good question. Okay, so what you will get when you apply this thing, you will find the first data. Okay, so just click here, enter, and we will get the first data that is available in a database. Okay, so we are getting the first data that is available in a database. Got it? Got it, everyone? Please try this thing. Okay, so please practice on create and read. Okay, and tomorrow I will let you know the more query from a MongoDB. Okay, anyone having any doubt inside the NESCOM IBM courses, please try to complete by tomorrow. That is not a time ticket. NESCOM will take a 1 to 2 hours. IBM will take a 2 to 3 hours, I think so. So you will complete it, I think so. So that is your homework. After that, you will get a project like I saw you earlier. After that, you will get a project. Okay. And on a Wednesday and Thursday, we having a last live session, as a trainer. So after that, we will having a AMA session to help you in a project. So on a Thursday and on a Wednesday, I will teach you about I will let you know about what will be your project. Okay. So you will see out of the 10 project, you have to select one, and your I think the HOD or your faculty member will create a group for you guys. Okay, so you will be there in a group. Get it, everyone? And please complete that things. I am leaving you earlier because you have to complete that thing. So please complete. And if there is any error, okay, any error or any problem, please mention your problem inside a group. Okay. Uh, like we having Mr. San, Mr. You are like you are registering somewhere else. I think this is something else. We don't having this type of website here in a class. We don't having such type of In NESCOM Python full register, they are asking about scheme and location and job and role and sector. You have to register for free and just register for the month. Okay, this is something else. I think you went something you went for some else project. I think so. Iswar, you got your thing. Iswar, Iswar Rao. Iswar, are you here? You get your credential from your HOD. Your HOD having the thing, he will provide you the credential. He will add you. He can add you in mail in our database. Okay, he having some credential to add you as a student. Okay, so please communicate with your HOD or department. Whatever is spokesperson is there, who is responsible for the smart bridge, he will let you know. Okay, he will like able to create your account inside our website. Okay, he having credential. So those who having a problem who didn't get anything, it's what you got your ID and password. Sir, are you available here? Ishwar Rao, guys, you joined and just keep it silent, class. Sai Balaji, what was your issue? Guys, please let me know the things in live classes also. So I'm here to help you regarding the things. If you are joining just for the attendance, so it will not help you. Okay. Kalyani, are you able to log in there on a portal? Kalyani, you having the same problem, right? You get your are are you able to log in there? Okay, I will just create one last poll and I will end this class. How many of you did that? Miscom. Okay, there is a question in a poll regarding your issue. So give your answer there. Okay, let me know what is the status of your miscom course. Please vote to everyone. If you are facing credential issue, please post that issue inside your WhatsApp group, and please ask with your HOD also regarding that credential issue. Guys, if you don't ask anything, like, then how can we solve the problem? Everyone, please give your response as soon as possible. We having just 1 minute. 6% have a credential issue, and you are not saying anything. Please inform this problem with your HOD, okay? College HOD or a spokesperson. There is a TPU, right? He will be responsible for that thing. 7 out of 20. 8 out of 22. Okay, those who having facing the credential issue, please try to communicate with your college spokesperson and paste your issue. I am facing the credential issue. I'm not getting any credential issue. In a WhatsApp group. Okay, and also check your email ID properly. Check your spam section in email check your promotion section in your email. It might be there, right? Check the social section also there, right? So this is a thing you can like. This is how you can issue a thing. Okay, there is a three option. Try to try every option. Okay, post your issue inside a WhatsApp group. Okay, and then try to communicate with your college HOD or a spokesperson who is responsible for the thing, and then check your email ID, okay, properly. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for joining the session. Bye. Manikanta, you having problem? Send the email. Wait. Okay, wait. Will send sign. Wait. Please check your email. Check your email now. Manikanta, you will get a temporary password. Check your email. Okay. Yeah, you got it. Okay, so try to log in with that password and you can change your password also. Okay, set your password also. Now try to log in with that password. Okay. Anyone who having same problem? Okay, see you tomorrow everyone. And please, if you're having such type of problem, try to communicate with your HOD or your colleagues also, your uh, friends also. Okay, how they get the email. Bye everyone.